Hey, did you hear about Kylie's sick new beach party going on? So that's what you guys were talking about in class? Yes, it's the hottest thing. Are you coming or nah? I don't really have a bathing suit. No? Are you for real? Well, I think I have one way to solve that problem. We are that solution. Hi! Welcome to Delightfully Dolls, where dolls are small and our hearts are big. Today, we will be making a doll bathing suit, obviously by that intro. So, this simple bathing suit, which only uses one material, yes, you heard me right, will be made using a balloon, which you can find at a Dollarama or a Party City or basically anywhere that sells toys and crafts and items like that. And a pair of scissors. But remember, scissors can be evil, so have an adult tame them for you. To begin, take your doll and lay her flat out on a surface, preferably a flat surface. Now take your balloon and you're going to take the bottom of it, line it up with your doll, and you want it to be around there so your bathing suit fits on your doll. So you'll take your scissors and cut across. So after you see that your bottom is a good size, you're going to fold your little balloon part in half, trying to keep it as symmetrical as possible, having equal halves. And now you'll take your scissors and cut around like this, going from one small end to the next, leaving the vertice and not cutting there. Okay, so this is how my bathing suit bottom turned out after I cut. Now you open it up and you'll see it'll look more like a swimsuit. So I'm just going to slip it onto my doll just to make sure it fits. You should have little legs inside of your swimsuit that your doll can fit into. So now I slipped on the bathing suit bottom and it's time to make the top. So for the top of the bathing suit, we'll take our little balloon again, and we are going to cut out from this section just a rectangle long enough to be a bikini top for the doll. But now I'm thinking we might want to go a little bit farther down, like around here. So I'm going to cut a strip just like that. So I cut out our little latex ring now, and I'm just going to slip it onto the doll like I did before to put it around the top. So, once you've slipped this onto your doll, as well as the bottom part, you've automatically got a cute beach pool look. So, our craft is complete and our time has been sweet. But now that we're done, come back for more fun. See ya! Hey Kylie, look at me! Woo! But also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. And guys, thank you so much for 100 delights on Instagram. Now, let's get to 100 delights on YouTube too. So please subscribe and show your friends all about us. And please send these videos to family members and friends. So, see you next time. And if you want a quick holler in our next video, then don't forget to comment below. Bye! Kylie, wait up!